one of the things that we get out of, there are multiple things that we get out when we are reading Quran, right? So we get guidance on how we should think, how we should do, what actions we should perform and everything. And then there are other things also that are called fazail, that you can get some other benefits while reciting these ayahs multiple times. So there is a benefit of Ayat al Kursi as well, that we get to learn from the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But before I go to that benefit, I have a question for you guys. Are you all with me?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Excellent. So the question I have for you is, who would like a personal bodyguard?
Me.
Okay, who else? Okay, I see show of hands. I see a lot of you. So a lot of you would like a personal bodyguard, right?
Sir, we already have a personal bodyguard. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Yes, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is protecting us, but I wouldn't call him like a personal bodyguard. But the reason why I'm saying this is, reciting Ayat al Kursi gives you one. So when you recite Ayat al Kursi, you get your personal bodyguard. I see a hand raised. Muhammad Farzan, you have something to say? Okay, we can. Yes.
I think I heard that when you recite Ayat al Kursi once, Allah sends a farishta, an angel, to protect you. Is that right? And then
excellent. Yes, Muhammad. You're right, Muhammad. 100% true. And this is exactly where I was going to. So thank you so much, Muhammad. So this point, that when we read Ayat al Kursi, we get our personal bodyguard. This is something that is proven by a Sahih Hadith. So let's read it together. Narrated by Abu Hurairah radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam ordered me to guard the zakat, obligatory charity revenue of Ramadan. So when they used to gather zakat, Abu Hurairah radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu, he was assigned as the guard of that to protect that charity during Ramadan. What happened one night was, there was somebody, he said, then somebody came to me and started stealing some of the food stuff. I caught him and said, I will take you to Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So he caught the thief and he said that, I will take you to Allah's Messenger so that he can punish you, whatever. Then Abu Hurairah radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu described the whole narration and said that people said to me, please don't, so that person said to me, please don't take me to Allah's Messenger, and I will tell you a few words by which Allah will benefit you. So you will receive a benefit from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When you go to your bed, so this is that person, that thief. That thief is telling Abu Hurairah radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu, when you go to bed, recite Ayat al Kursi. For then there will be a guard from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who will protect you all night long, and Satan, Shaitan, will not be able to come near you till dawn. So this is that person saying this to Abu Hurairah. Now Abu Hurairah goes to the Holy Prophet. When the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam heard the story, he said to me, so the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam now is telling Abu Hurairah radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu, he who came to you at night, you know that person? He told you the truth, although he is a liar, and he was himself Shaitan. So this is coming from Sahih al-Bukhari. So the key message for us that is from this narration, as well as the great ayah that we have learned today, Ayat al Kursi, is that we should learn this Ayat al Kursi. So those of you brothers who have not memorized it at yet, do try to memorize it and try to regularly recite it to get your personal bodyguard. So it is proven by Sahih Hadith, there would be someone who would be protecting you as well. And there are so many numerous stories that you will hear from people that they had recited Ayat al Kursi and they were protected. And it's not just protecting from robbery or this or that as well, but even from accidents. At times, when, I don't know, I mean, you guys, some of you maybe who are older, maybe driving cars, but soon you will start to drive cars as well. You will realize at times there's a narrow passage and somehow you go, or you try to overtake a car, or another car comes so close to you that you're like, it's about to hit and everything. But then something saves you miraculously. and it gives you a jitter, you know, when driving. It happens to me a lot of time as well. So when I'm driving and, you know, sometimes the car gets saved and I'm like, whoa, how did that, and you know, what happened and how was I saved even from that? Because so these are the angels who are guarding us. And so try to recite Ayat al Kursi before sleeping, in the morning, when you're going out of your house. And definitely, inshallah ta'ala, you will be protected by a personal bodyguard. That does not mean that you will not get any harm. Obviously, any harm in our way can come, but that again will come from the permission of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and that will be better for us, because we are Muslims. We have this belief and this faith that even if a harm will come, it will come for our benefit as well, or as much. But majority of the times, this is what we have been told. So learn Ayat al Kursi, recite it regularly before sleeping as well, and you will be protected by a personal bodyguard. Okay.